Hi everybody. This is Fred from Fiji. I just wanted to say a good afternoon to everybody. Hope you guys all doing good. I would just like to really share with us a couple of notes that I made over the last few hours, I guess. And I thought I'd share that with you, especially with because there's a lot of people that's going into business these days, and so I pretty much would like to share my learnings with them. I'm still learning, of course, and I thought that it might be of some benefit to somebody out there. So I've titled this topic 3 reasons every new entrepreneur learns in business too late. So while I recommend anybody, and by the way, I'm doing notes now, so I can hijack. How are you? I'm doing notes because it just kind of keeps me on track, and because I can really blabble a bit too much. So hope you guys enjoy this. And I do squint a lot because my eyes are kind of giving up a bit these days. So anyway, as long as you can see me and as long as you can hear me, so that's the main thing. All right, cool guys. So my topic: 3 reasons every new entrepreneur learns in business too late. So while I recommend anybody or anyone to start a business, any business, I would also caution you on a few road humps or speed bumps you might hit on your entrepreneurial journey. So the first lesson new entrepreneurs learn too late is your motives have got to be more than money. Unfortunately, most, if not all, new entrepreneurs don't realize this until it's too late. They venture out to make an income as quickly as possible. They measure their success by how quickly they've made sales and cash flow incoming. At some point they break even, and then they go on to profit. From then on, carefully balancing their margins. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. As a matter of fact, I would highly recommend everyone give it a good go. However, as they go through the weeks and months, they would then realize how their business has turned into a job. What they thought would give them freedom from their previous real job have now found themselves in another one, but this time with a huge, unbearable responsibility. Second reason new entrepreneurs learn in business too late is they fail to grow as a person. Now, it is well documented that to grow a business, you must grow as a person. What does this mean? Think about this. During early stage funding, the entrepreneur's image is the product. Most investors don't invest in companies, they invest in people. Inc.com highly recommends: number 1, investing in your health and wellness. Number 2, effective goal setting, killer time management, emphasis on continuing education, and developing empathy. Entrepreneur.com, Entrepreneur.com insists on nurturing healthy habits, continuing to be a student, mastermind with entrepreneurs ahead of you. Stay focused on your greater why, because those who do only this for money don't last very long. And of course, the last reason, but least, on what every new entrepreneur learns in business too late, is they fail to grow their business. Now, every entrepreneur wants to grow their business. Why? The poor mindset entrepreneur focuses on their income statement. The rich mindset entrepreneur focuses on buying more assets. The latter invests into his health, education, business systems. What systems, you may ask? Systems of scale, leverage, and automation. So So guys, that's pretty much what I have learned over the last 4 years, believe it or not. And I've finally seen some success, of course, just over the last, geez, it's been just a blur for me. It's been moving so fast. But over the last 4 weeks, it's really taken off for me. So I just want to encourage you guys out there, no matter what stage of entrepreneurship you're in, keep going. You're on the right track. You are asking the right questions and you're taking a step in the right direction. So keep going, and yeah, all the very best. And I wish you guys a prosperous evening, rest of the week, rest of the month, and all the best in your entrepreneurial journey. And I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks guys, Vinaka.